Well, hello, guys. I know, I've been gone for a full minute, but 2020 been crazy. So today I wanted to just do something new. Everybody knows me for doing face, but it's not the season to be doing face now. Everybody's in mask, so why not focus on something else? Why not focus on talents and interests that you may have? I am multi-talented, so I've been told. Haha, not sure if that's true, but what we're going to do is test out some of these theories. So I like doing nails, and so I said, okay, why not just introduce my channel to me learning how to do nails, so you guys can learn along with me. Be free to tell me, what you like, what you're interested in, and I'll do my best to do it. So let's jump into the video. So here I'm using my mannequin hand. It's one of those from Amazon. It's around $9 or so. Not the best, but it's workable. So don't judge me. Girl is kind of stiff, but she's workable. So I've placed a tip in, and I'm just blending the tip with the free edge. Yeah, with my sanding band, and I'm dusting off everything. Now I'm just gonna go in. Oh, see what I mean? No, I lied. Now I'm blending in the tip with my sanding band, and now I believe I'm using a 180 grit. If it's not 180, it's 150, but I've used it long enough, so it's around 180 now, and that's the best I'm told that you can use for your natural nails. So that's what we're gonna use. In addition to this, guys, I need to figure out what to name this girl. This girl that is made of plastic here. She needs a name, right? We can't call her Goody Two Shoe. We can't call her Golly Bop. What are them stuff there? Okay, so this acrylic powder that I'm using right here is made locally in Jamaica, and I like them. They're called Glamour Nails. Shout out, no promo. But they're located in Crossroads. I'm not sure if we can order it online, but I'm using their cover peach. And what I'm going to be attempting today is a cutaway. This is my first time using a plastic hand, demo hand, practice hand. First time using my cover peach. First time doing a cutaway. It's a lot of firsts, and this is not even a real video. This is just a tester. So here I'm gonna make a half nail bed, a slant nail bed. I don't know. I'm just gonna cover 3/4 of the nail with this color, and then I'm gonna take they call it an X-Acto knife, something like that. You gotta forgive me, guys. I'm new to this. I may not look that way, but I am new to this. Right, and I'm kind of nervous. I can't believe I'm nervous, but I am, and we're gonna learn this together. Together we're gonna learn this. I'm not a pro. I'm not a professional. I don't have my license, but I will. Those who know me know that Rochelle gonna get it. So I think this is where now I'm gonna go in with my X-Acto knife. I got this at my local pharmacy. It wasn't, if it's US currency, I don't think I paid more than $3 for it. Jamaican currency, I paid 400 and something plus tax. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip it in the acrylic powder so that the knife can slide through my wet acrylic without it sticking to the blade. Yeah, something I learned off YouTube. Yeah, you. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Gonna clean up the lines as best as I can. It's my first time. I'm worried that the plastic hand is gonna cut. Imagine that. So right now I'm gonna go in with this burnt orange color. Guys, I made this color. I made this colored acrylic. I'm gonna do a video on this soon, very soon. But I made this color acrylic, and I love it. I absolutely love burnt orange. Love burnt orange. So I figured I'll give it a try. The consistency is nice. Um, it's not patchy at all. It's just beautiful. It is beautiful. Absolutely loving it. So we're just gonna fill it up. I'm gonna walk it up to the cut. That's how they say it, right? So you're gonna walk it up to the cut, carry all the way to the corners, making sure that it's straight and stuff. I struggled. You will see. I struggled a little bit because I'm like, all these steps running through my head. I'm my own teacher. Golly. But it came out. It came out. I fussed with it a little bit. And don't. I'm told don't be afraid if it's a little messy. I am a bit of a perfectionist. Don't tell nobody. So, yeah, I tried not to touch my cover paint, but then that's gonna get all filed away anyway. I don't know if I'm gonna talk through all of this, but I'm gonna try. You see right there, I missed a spot. There's no shame in my game. I just went and I got a small bead, a very small filler bead is what they call it. So it's a bit on the runny side, and I just filled in that gap. I am gonna cap this though with clear because my colored acrylic is nice. It's cute, but any colored acrylic is not as strong as the core acrylics, which is like your cover pinks, your cover nudes, and all of that stuff. So I'm just gonna cap it with a little bit of clear, taking a small bead, but it's a bit on the runny side, so not all the liquid is drained out of my brush, because I just want it to fill in any crevices and just run over the lower part of the nail without actually forming any form of bulk. We're not looking to make the nail any fatter than it is, because you're going to trim this right down. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Oh, by the way, I'm using a number 14 brush. It's pinched, and I also got this at Glamour Nails. Yeah, I like their brushes. I started out with a number 8 brush, and I still have it. I still really have it, and I was deathly scared when I went to say, okay, let me upgrade a brush, but it didn't have the size 10 that I needed. So I just took this 14 and said, God, I'm gonna grab everything back and run with it. So here I'm going to clean up my sidewalls, making sure that it's in alignment with the nail groove. Clean up all that, because once you apply acrylic over the nail, you tend to lose your shape a little bit. So we're just going to reinforce that, and I'm using a 100 grit file just so that I can get those lines very sharp. It's just to get off on the free edges. Now I'm going in with my bit. Now this is my medium grit bit. It's tapered. And guess where I got it, guys? Yeah, I think they need to sponsor me. But if I like somebody, I like somebody. If I like their products, I like their products. And I'm new to this, so I ain't got nobody teaching me but YouTube. So we're gonna learn together. Yes. So what I'm actually doing is not so much debulking the nail, because I have a strong apex. It's not an overly flat nail or overly high nail, but there's a nice arch in the nail for strength. So what I'm doing is simply removing any excess acrylic that I would have on the nail, and expose that nice cutaway. Cutaway is what they call it. Right, that's what I'm doing. I'm exposing all the good stuff, and she's gonna come together real nice, real slim, real fly. It's gonna say 2020 who? No, I got this in the bag. I am using my nail drill at about 5,000 RPMs. Now RPMs, if y'all don't know, is the rotation per second that your bit goes. So I'm going 5,000 rotation per second. That's pretty fast. So here I'm going to go back in with my file just to reinforce the shape again, neaten things up and all that stuff, and make sure that sis is as confident as she needs to be. Oh, let me tell you what I'm doing here. I'm trying to get near to the cuticle without damaging this hand that don't have no name yet. Remember, guys, send me your input and what do you think I should call her, and then maybe we can do like a raid or something. So I'm just gonna go in now with my buffing block. I've been using this for a minute, so don't come for me. I got a new one, but I didn't want to cut this plastic hand, so I'm trying to use one that is soft around the edges. It worked. She ain't real. She ain't gonna squeal. So it worked. So we're just gonna take this and we're gonna take out any grooves that I may have, gotten from the e-file or anything. And then after that, we just gonna give it some jelly, some shiny jelly, some liquid gold shiny jelly. I love me some shiny nails. I do. We're gonna give sis a nice coat and bring her to life. Cuticle is well laid, side walls are cute. The mannequin hand stressed me, but we got it done. And I'm so glad that you guys, if you're still watching, that you stayed with me. You stay with me. I'm planning on doing more of this because I wouldn't say we're in quarantine, but we in the house anyway. We ain't gonna go nowhere. And me and this mannequin hand, we gonna be friends. That's why she need a name, because there's no way I can keep her calling her mannequin hand. But that side cut is nice. Look at that. Ooh, sharp. So much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.